In this video I'm gonna show you how to add two video clips together. First of all, open your Kinemaster application and then click media, and then I'll select two videos that you wanna add together. So I select two videos from here, then click the right icon on the upper right corner. Now you can see my two video added in my Kinemaster video editor timeline. So in this process you can add two or multiple video together. So it is a very simple process, and now you can export it as your requirement. So I hope you understand the video. To export this video, click the export icon on the upper right corner and then click export. Now this video will start exporting. So in this process you can add two or multiple video together. I think you understand the full video. If you have any problem to understand this video, please comment. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So goodbye, have a nice day.